there I improve a lot. So in this way, I am improving.
Mm-hmm. That's very good to hear that you're improving so much by daily progress. So you read because you have to teach. So you're watching the conversation videos and you're connecting with learners. So you are regular and consistent. This is the reason you're improving a lot.
Yes, ma'am. This is the reason. Sometimes,
Yeah, hi, how are you?
yes. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Yes, I am doing great.
Okay, so as
What
we are
about you?
meeting, I'm also
Would
good.
you like to introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, please. My name is Pallavi Dhingra and I'm an English trainer by profession. I have been teaching online for almost 10 years. And about my educational qualification, I'm postgraduate in English as well as TEFL, TESOL certified trainer. And I am from Delhi and I really love to teach. This is all about me. You can also introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am, sure. As you know that my name is Shabnam. Basically, I'm from Bihar, but currently I live in Delhi. I work as a teacher at school. Apart from this, I am pursuing PhD from Delhi University. I'm an academic counselor in IGNOU and a part-time assistant professor in Delhi University College. If I talk about my hobbies, so nowadays my hobbies is English communication. So I indulge myself in English communication nowadays. Yes, this is all about me. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, wow,
Thank you
really
so much.
happy to know that you work at DU also. You are counselor in IGNU. That is very good. Someday, if I have some work, I will contact you.
Yeah, yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay, so you are doing PhD in what?
Ma'am, I'm doing PhD in English literature.
Okay,
Because
that's really
my
good.
subject is English literature, I hold my BA, MA in English literature.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so how long you
I
started?
qualified two-time NET,
Mm-hmm.
B.Ed,
Oh,
yes, and
wow.
CTET, all this. So
Wonderful.
yes,
You're so such a studious student, I must say.
thank you so much, ma'am.
All right. So as you mentioned, you are learning English these days. So why you want to improve your English? What's the purpose?
Yes, earlier, ma'am, earlier my English is not that much good, but now I am improving, and yes, now I am able to speak before you with
Mm.
confidence. But earlier, my situation was not like that. But
Okay.
yes, now I am focusing on my fluency.
Mm-hmm.
Still, I am making mistakes, but it doesn't matter. Mistakes always teach us something. So, yes, day by day we learn something from our mistakes. But yes, nowadays I'm focusing on my fluency because, as you know, I am working as an assistant professor in Delhi College. So there I have to give my lecture in English. So that
Mm-hmm.
is main purpose nowadays to become a fluent
Yeah.
communicator or all these things.
Yeah, that is really good to hear. So I wish all the best that you improve more and more and you will be able to deliver your lessons very well.
Thank you so
So
much,
when
ma'am.
you started learning English?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
I'm saying like when you
From
started learning. Yes.
yes, ma'am. From last August, 1st August 2025, I started my English journey from that time because when I enrolled in PhD, at that time I thought that now I have to focus on my communication because I don't have any choice.
Yeah.
Anyhow I have to improve my communication. That is why I started my journey in August 2025.
Mm-hmm.
At
Okay.
that time my communication is not like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what
Yes,
all
ma'am.
things you follow to improve to this extent and what all things you do?
Ma'am, basically I watch conversational videos on the daily basis. Some conversational videos are available, not some, there are so many conversational
Yeah.
videos available over YouTube channel. So
Mhm.
I choose some conversational videos, that is advanced level, because earlier I used to watch some basic level or intermediate level communication, but now I am focusing on advanced level communication, and I watch those videos on the daily basis. Apart from this, I teach to my students, so my focus is to teach them in English, not properly, because they are learning in Hindi medium. They are not able to understand whole the topic in English, so I have to translate it in Hindi again, but it doesn't matter. I think that no matter, uh, still I am improving to teach them in English. So yes, at first I teach them in English, then I translate it into Hindi also, so that they will be able to understand what I am teaching to them.
Okay.
And
So
if I
just
talk about my reading, so I am not into reading, but yes, I have to read, and I have to read to teach them. So
hmm,
at that time I read aloud, and at that time this thing also inculcate in my daily habits. So yes, in this way I improve my communication, and I talk every day, not every day, sometimes I miss, but yes, I try to connect on S Fluency app to co-learners. There I improve a lot. So in this way I am improving.
mhm. That's very good to hear that you're improving so much by daily progress. So you read because you have to teach. So you're watching the conversation videos and you're connecting with learners. So you are regular and consistent. This is the reason you're improving a lot.
Yes, ma'am. This is the reason. Sometimes I thought that I'm not improving, but yes, but after some time, when I start to talk, at that time I feel no, still I'm improving. Whether I'm not connecting to everyone every day, but yeah, and one thing I do on the regular basis, that whenever I get time, for example, last week, I taught my students about Sudha Moti's one of the chapter.
Mhm,
That chapter's name was, how I teach my grandmother, how I made my grandmother to teach.
mhm,
So when I taught to my students that chapter, after that that chapter came in my mind, and when I reached at my home, and when I found free time, at that time I tried to explain the summary to myself only. So in
okay.
this way, sometimes I talk to myself,
Yeah,
because
so
everybody is
talking really
busy in
helps.
these days. So yes, it is quite difficult to find co-learner at the time. It means when you are thinking that now I have to connect to someone, so at the same time it is difficult to find co-learner, because my time is different. I teach in evening school. So
Mhm.
yes, that is main problem. That's why I'm giving this time to connect to you.
Okay,
Yes.
all right, no problem. So, you are really doing very well that you do self practice because self practice really matters a lot. At that time, we don't have the fear of judgment, so we can correct even if we do wrong and
Yes.
then prepare ourselves how we can speak better in front of anybody. So, what do you do when you don't want to practice anything on lazy days? So, do you practice then also, and what's your encouraging force to practice on those days?
Yes, ma'am. This is very nice question, I would say, because this thing happen with everyone, right? So,
Yeah.
this thing happens with me, but at that time I thought that if I'm not practicing, no matter, I have to consume English anyhow. Like I watch conversational videos. So at that time I use this thing, like I watch conversational videos and reels, and from there I learn some vocabulary, and there are so reels available on YouTube, over YouTube, like reels, idioms, right? Idioms, proverbs, and all these things. So in this way I try to learn, and yes, I believe that after some time, definitely I'll be fluent, and everybody will be fluent if they are doing something for their improving communication, right?
Yeah, that is
So, yes.
correct. So even if you feel lazy, just keep on doing, don't stop. Because if you will stop, then that loop
Yes,
breaks
ma'am.
off. And after that, you don't want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
start.
We can't do
Yeah, this is.
because starting is very difficult thing. And
Mhm.
if I start something, so I don't have to what I would say, I don't have to leave, or what I would say.
Yeah, we
Please
should
correct me.
continue. We should continue. If we start something, no matter whether
Yes,
we want to do or not, follow the discipline and keep on going. Because
yes, ma'am.
people do fail, but patterns do not fail. So follow a particular pattern, be consistent, be disciplined, and surely you can see the results.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, your
Yeah.
communication is very nice.
Thank you so
How did
much.
you improve your communication? I think
I
you studied in English medium, right? Am I right?
Yeah, I studied in English medium, but I was not that much fluent when I studied. I know English, but even I fear to speak English in front of other people. When it comes to speaking, I know all the grammar, I know vocabulary, but when it comes to real practice, even I used to fear a lot. So I also worked on myself. It was not that, no, I was a born fluent speaker. Even my parents don't speak in English. I have also put in a lot of efforts, so then I improve. So everybody can improve provided you keep on going and you know the right map pattern and the right practice. So one can improve that. And also to you, like as if you said you daily practice in front of mirror also, and to record yourself, you can even add on one thing to it. You can start thinking in English, because thinking in English really plays a very important role. As you
Yes, ma'am.
said that nowadays everybody is busy. We don't have time to other people with other people to connect. So you can think in English, whatever you do the whole day, you can plan your day in English. So that is also going to help you so much to
Yes, ma'am. I do the
yeah,
same.
yes, that is really good, because if you're thinking in English, then throughout your English can be improved. Because if your input is English, like you're thinking in English, so the output will be English only. So that
Yes,
pattern
ma'am.
also helps so much.
Yes, ma'am. You are right.
Yeah.
So, are you teaching somewhere?
I don't teach in any school. I have my own company. I teach over there, and I teach online only. Like I teach full time online. So my
Okay,
students
nice.
are from like outside India also, NRI students, working professionals. So I teach them.
Okay, nice, nice.
Okay.
So,
All right. So do you have any questions, or shall we wind up the session?
uh,
These days what
okay,
happened, I'm
okay.
doing a research as I'm writing a book, that how to be fluent in 30 days, because everybody wants very quick results. Yeah, nobody wants to wait so long to see the results. So I'm writing a
Yes.
book based on that. I'm doing some research by connecting with lot of learners, and to understand
Okay,
what's
nice.
their problem and where they get stuck and what are methods they practice in the moment, and the methods that do not work. So based on my experience and doing some research, I thought to interview at least 50 people, and after that, based on that, I'm writing and still in progress. So because I want to bring
Wow.
a masterpiece that will really help the learners, and it will help them to improve very quickly. Because as if nowadays everybody wants quick results, they want to wait for so long. The time span,
Yes.
like the I tell you, the patience level has reduced to zero. Even if we search online, it doesn't come in 1 minute, we just change the another. So people want
Yes,
quick
ma'am.
results. So based on that, I'm writing, and the name of the book is Speak English Fluently in 30 Days. So for that, I'm interviewing. And so I am interviewing you.
Have you written another book before that?
No, no, this is my first book.
This is your first book.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
So I want
Even
to do
I
it
think
better.
I am also thinking to write book like novel and the story books.
Wow,
But
that's
after
really good.
PhD, I will write
Yeah.
because I'm nowadays I'm totally focused on my PhD because I
Okay.
have to submit it in coming year. That is the main reason.
Yeah, that is good. All right, so it was lovely connecting with you. I wish you luck that you improve more and more and you become better. And we'll see you some other time when you will
Thank you
be
so
writing your
much,
book
ma'am.
or
Thank you
become
so
fluent.
much.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm delighted to connect to you.
Yeah, same here. Okay, bye.
Bye. Have a nice day, ma'am.